Can an LLC be nonprofit? Yes. An LLC can be formed as a nonprofit, but it must meet specific requirements. To qualify, all members must share a charitable or nonprofit purpose, and the LLC must operate exclusively for that purpose. In addition, the LLC cannot distribute profits to its members. Any income must be used to further its mission. To gain tax-exempt status, a nonprofit LLC must apply for 501(c)(3) status with the IRS. This requires submitting Form 1023 and meeting strict requirements, such as having a proper operating agreement and including specific language about charitable purposes and dissolution clauses. Not all states recognize nonprofit LLCs, and the approval process can be more complicated than forming a traditional nonprofit corporation. However, it is possible if you carefully follow state and IRS rules. Zen Business can help you set up a nonprofit organization and ensure your paperwork is correct for 501(c)(3) status. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.